the last element into the on the stack? Last in first out antunam kada. How to identify the last element? Sandeep, 69. To identify the last element, what kind of pointer we are using? Telisa telida? Is it known to you or not? Sandeep?
Yes.
Yes, say yes or no? Do you know the answer for that or not?
Yes, sir.
Etadi? How to identify the last element? The terminology is last in first out. That means who enters last is supposed to come out first. Okay? And when you try to add an element, you are supposed to add an element over the last element. And then ఏదైతే last లో enter అవుతాయో దాని మీద ఇంకో element పెడతాం. So how to identify what is the last element in a stack? What kind of pointer is supposed to be used? Sindhu, can you tell? Manikanta?
Top pointer.
Top pointer. Sandeep? అర్థమైంది అప్పుడు?
Sir.
టాప్ పాయింటర్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని అంత అర్జెన్సీ లేదు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో అర్జెన్సీ టువర్డ్స్ మ్యూటింగ్.
Okay, sir.
So there is a top pointer which always tells us wherever any particular element is pointed by top means that particular element is the last element that was inserted into the stack. So we are supposed to delete the element which is pointed by top pointer. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ ని తీస్తాం బయటికి అంటే టాప్ పాయింటర్ ఏదైతే పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేస్తుందో that particular element is supposed to be pulled out first. Is it clear? So let me go back to the notes. So here, hope this screen is visible to everyone. కనబడుతుంది కదా? Manikanta, can you observe the screen? Sindhu?
Visible, sir.
Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, in the particular diagram, stack is an important data structure which stores the element in an ordered manner. And here you see there are four different plates that are arranged on a stack. And you can see, Sandeep, you can read this particular text. What is the text that was written here? Sandeep, what is the text that was
Sir.
written here?
The
I'm highlighting-
topmost plate will be removed first.
Yes, LIFO ante ade. The topmost ante who will be on the top ante the last who enters. It is the element which was entered into the stack as a last operation. Last operation lo insertion operation lo edaithe topmost plate untundo that particular plate is supposed to be removed first. So this is the scenario which we are supposed to use. That's why here I am highlighting some other thing, like here a stack is called a LIFO data structure, as the element that was inserted last is the first one to taken out. So this is the important information regarding stack. What kind of data structure following anan kada? So what kind of data structure that is followed by stack is, it follows the LIFO last in first out data structure, as the element that was inserted last is the first one to take it out. Ade queues aithe, Niharika, if it is in the case of queues lo kuda LIFO e untunda? Niharika, are you in the class?
Sir,
ఇది స్టాక్ అయితే LIFO అంటే లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. అదే క్యూ అయితే వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇట్ ఫాలోస్? క్యూలో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ ముందు ఉంటుంది, ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ బయటకు వస్తుంది, అది అడుగుతున్నాను. ఐడియా ఉందా? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఐడియా ఆర్ నాట్? నాట్ అంటే నేను చెప్తా, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
no, sir.
సో క్యూస్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే రివర్స్ ఆపరేషన్. దట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ అంటే హూ ఎంటర్స్ లాస్ట్ యాజ్ రిమూవ్డ్ ఫస్ట్, బట్ అక్కడ హూ ఎంటర్స్ ఫస్ట్ విల్ బి అవుట్ ఫస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ లో క్యూలో ఇప్పుడు టికెట్స్ మూవీ టికెట్స్ కి వెళ్ళండి అమ్మా. మూవీ టికెట్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఉన్న అతనికైనా ఫస్ట్ టికెట్ ఇస్తారు. నిహారిక, who will
Yes,
get the
sir.
ticket first? The one who stands in
First.
the queue first, అంతేనా? So there it
Yes.
follows FIFO అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్, there it is first in first out. So what kind of operations which we are going to perform with the help of stacks in the stack data structures in a computer operation ante we are going to perform good number of operations like arithmetic expression evaluation, checking the parenthesis. Suppose you people are giving an expression, suppose you are inputting an expression like parenthesis lo petandi a plus b అనేది ఒక వాల్యూ. అంటే this is a plus b is an arithmetic expression or not? మిమ్మల్నేనయ్యా, is a plus b is an arithmetic expression or not? Manikanta,
Yes, sir.
respond. So now I just want to show one more example. Is the screen is visible? Blank screen. Now is the blank screen is visible now? Emma, Sindhu, Manikanta. Why you?
Sir, లేదు సార్ వైట్ స్క్రీన్.
White screen. Is this white screen is visible to you?
సార్ ఎస్ సార్ ఎస్ సార్.
Here, a arithmetic expression means. So is this the arithmetic expression?
ఎస్ సార్.
What is the arithmetic expression which was entered by me? A plus b. Antara, find the sum of. Let me
A
type
plus B,
something.
sir.
Yes. If you give some value like a equal to 3 and b equal to 2, what is the sum of a plus b? A equal to 3 and b equal to 2. What is the sum of a plus b? Manikanta,
Sir,
a equal to 3 and b equal to 2 anko. What is the value of a plus b?
5, sir.
5. ఎందుకు అంత టైం తీసుకుంటున్నావు 5 కి? It is such a simple one, no? But if you
సిగ్నల్ అంటే మైక్ సరిగ్గా ఆన్ అవ్వదు.
ఇప్పుడు the same kind of information, suppose you people are giving to the computer system and asking like a equal to 3 అని ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Here, one sec, I am getting a call from principal. Okay, sorry for the abstraction. Okay, so give some more time to me, 2 minutes, because I have to mail a document to principal garu. Okay, and meantime you verify. I just give. Okay, we'll do one thing. You copy the structure of a okay. Meantime, you copy all these 4 different diagrams on your notebook. Here in the first case, so function A is entered into the stack first, and whenever you people want to add one more function, that is function B, is this screen is visible? Manikanta? Is this screen is visible to you, Manikanta?
Sir, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Convert.
Now, if function B wants to add into the stack, then function B is added over A, and function C is added over B, and function D is added over D. Like that, function A, B, C, D will be added in the stack. Now, whenever you people want to remove any function or want to execute any particular function, what is the function first comes out from the stack? Edostadi, out of A, B, C, D, what is the first function to come out first? Which particular function first comes out? Manikanta? Sindhu?
Function D, sir.
D first comes out, and then C, and then B, and then lastly
B, sir.
A. So A will comes out as a last function from the stack. If you try to remove or pop function A, it cannot be possible. Why? Because there are 3 more functions that are over A. So you cannot delete C also, even function D is present. So function D unnappudu you cannot delete function C also. So for that, let me explain once again. Meantime, you copy this. You copy cheyandi all these 4 functions. I will come back. Okay, Manikanta, can you watch this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, A equal to 3 and B equal to, if you give some value like B equal to 2, you asked about find the sum of 2 different values. What is the answer? Suppose you people want to store the value A plus B in C. Then what is the value of C now?
Five, sir.
C equal to, if suppose I added as C equal to A plus B. System still hanging. Wait for a while. Okay. C equal to A plus B and A equal to 3 and B equal to 2. Then what is the value of C is? The value of C is 5. C equal to 5. This is the answer which we are supposed to get it. But okay. What kind of operations which we are going to perform using stack is, if you enter the arithmetic expression into the computer system as a C equal to A plus B, the parenthesis cannot be evaluated. Parenthesis, even when it was entered into the computer system, the parentheses are supposed to be removed. అంటే parentheses ఏమున్నాయి ఇక్కడ? One left parenthesis and one right parenthesis. The left and right parenthesis cannot be evaluated while calculating the sum of a plus b. How it is supposed to be evaluated ante idi what kind of expression it is? Manikanta, what kind of expression it is?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic lone edi infix expression. Ante infix in the sense the operator. What is the operator here? It is a combination of two arguments and one operator. Argument enti? Operand antam. We are supposed to call it as A and B are here. A and B are system still hanging. So meantime you copy it. I will explain orally. A and B are here operands. And plus operator, danni operator antam. Plus ani danni. So what is the operator that we are using ante? A and B equal to, if I entered something, it is hanging. Because I opened so many pages. Let me close one or two pages. Okay. Now there won't be a problem. So A and B equal to 5 is the answer. A and B are operands. Operands and plus is an operator. Plus is an operator. So how it is supposed to enter into the computer system and evaluate ante these parentheses may not be considered while calculating the sum of A plus B. Suppose if I add the expression in this form, what will happen? So is the expression is now correct? I added one more parenthesis, left parenthesis to the expression. What will happen to the computer system? First of all, does it gives the value that is equal to 5?
Parents. No, sir.
Why no?
Parenthesis close cheyaledu, sir.
Parenthesis ఇంకా close cheyaledu. That means this is parenthesis check. First of all, whenever a particular expression is supposed to be added to the computer system, ఈ parenthesis check అనేది జరుగుతుంది ముందు. Left side any parenthesis ఉంటే the right side also supposed to be that much of parenthesis. Equal parentheses are supposed to be ante left side left parentheses are here too. So right also we need to have two parentheses. Is this expression is true ante? Yes, this is true. But this the left and right may not be required here, but equal number of parentheses on left hand side as well as right hand side. This type of comparison, like suppose you had some other values like C and D and E here and close the bracket. And this is a valid expression, like suppose slash. Now check the expression. Manikanta, Sindhu, check the expression. Is the expression is valid?
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే here it is one left parenthesis and at the end one right parenthesis, then an operator and one left parenthesis and one right parenthesis. ఈ left and right parenthesis correct గా ఉంటేనే then only the expression is supposed to be evaluated, otherwise it cannot be. Suppose an expression is given in this slide like in this form, whether it is manual mistake or computer mistake, it cannot be evaluated. So first ఏం చేస్తుంది? First parenthesis check అనేది జరుగుతుంది. Parenthesis checking. Once parenthesis check is correct, that means a expression is something like this. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు it cannot be evaluated like this. D and E ఇలా వెళ్దు. In that previous example, for simple sake, anyway, we are supposed to work out good number of expressions in the future in the next classes. దీన్ని ఎలా evaluate చేస్తామంటే పోస్ట్ ఫిక్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఇన్ఫిక్స్ కదా, A plus B ఆపరెంట్స్ అటు ఇటు ఉన్నాయి, మధ్యలో ఆపరేటర్ ఉంది. ఏ ఆపరెంట్స్ అటు ఇటు ఉన్నాయి, ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆపరేటర్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. సో A plus B parenthesis within parenthesis is supposed to be converted as AB plus. ఇది పోస్ట్ ఫిక్స్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. There are three types of expressions. One is infix, next is postfix, and other one is prefix. There are three different expressions. One is infix, and the other one is postfix, and the other one is prefix. Infix expression is this one, a plus b. ఈ a plus b అనేది parenthesis లో ఉండడాన్ని that is infix అంటాం. If it is converted in the form of ab plus, then it is a expression. What kind of expression it is?
Postfix, sir.
Postfix. And here I add prefix expression. Prefix అంటే pre, ముందుగా ఆపరేటర్ వచ్చేయాలి అంటే that means a b. This is prefix expression. This is prefix, and ab plus అనేది that is ab plus equal to this is postfix expression. Hope this example is clear. Once a postfix expression is entered into the stack ఏం చేస్తుందంటే we are giving values 3 and for a and b for 2. So this postfix expression లో ముందు 3 2 and it will be converted in the form of ఇది ఎలా కనబడుతుందంటే this is something like this 3 2 plus. So apply operator between 3 2 plus and find the sum, that is now the value becomes 5. How we are supposed to evaluate the postfix expressions and how to check the parentheses, all this we can explain in the next classes. One sec, secretary sir is waiting. Let me send one email to them and I will continue in the class. Okay, I am back to the class. Hope these concepts are clear. Manikanta,
Sir.
the concept is clear. We are supposed to perform good number
Yes,
of
sir.
operations on stacks. So what are the kind of arithmetic operations which we are going to use or applying on the computer system towards finding the value of some arithmetic expression? We are supposed to use stacks only. Stacks to matrame it can be possible. And how, what kind of operations which we are going to perform using stacks ante arithmetic operations lo infix arithmetic operation and postfix and prefix, and the system ఏదైతే ఉందో system that is supposed to be the stack data structure is supposed to convert. Who converts this infix expression to postfix ante your stack converts. So conversion of parenthesis, it does the operation that is parenthesis check, and next parenthesis check tarvata once the parenthesis check is verified, then it converts infix to postfix expression. Conversion jarugutadi, conversion using stacks, and then evaluation of postfix expression. Postfix expression. Once an evaluation comes, postfix expression is available, then it performs evaluation అంటే finding the value. Evaluation అనగానే within brackets లో here I am entering AB plus. So AB plus లో given value, give values for A equal to some value and B equal to some value and find the sum of AB plus. Now here, what happens in converting infix expression to find postfix expression is A plus B is converted in the form of AB plus. So A plus B and ఉన్నదాన్ని ఏం చేస్తుంది? It converts in the form of AB plus. So it converts infix to prefix also. Usually we don't, any particular computer system doesn't use prefix evaluation. Usually any computer application which is supplemented to the computer is evaluating with the help of postfix expression only. Postfix తోనే చేస్తుంది. Comparison, parenthesis check జరుగుతుంది. Conversion of infix to postfix and then evaluation of postfix expressions. These are the three different steps which we are supposed to perform using stacks. Hope this concept is clear. మనకంటే అర్థమైనయా ఏం చేస్తుందో కంప్యూటర్ సిస్టమ్ using stack? How
Yes,
the
sir.
stacks are implemented at stacks has major role in converting or finding the value of some arithmetic expression. First parenthesis check చేస్తుంది ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా. If your expression something like this, it cannot be evaluated. ఇలా ఉందనుకో అంటే two left parenthesis, two on left hand side and one right parenthesis ఉంటే it cannot be equal కాబట్టి this expression is invalid expression కింద it will return. Otherwise I will tell you one more expression. Suppose one left and two or three are right, it cannot be a perfect expression. First it checks whether the given expression is true ante parentheses are correct or not, and equal number of left and right parentheses are available or not. Once it is available, then it will convert the infix to postfix and evaluate the postfix expression. So we will do good number of operations on this kind of operations, good number of examples on this kind of operations. So we will discuss later. We'll go back to the other material, that is textbook material. Here I share one more thing. Yeah. So this is the textbook example. Here good number of function A enters first and B enters next and C enters next and D enters next. Once if you try to remove, D comes out first, C comes out next and B comes out next, and at the last A coming out from the stack. So these are removing, you could explain yesterday, inserting explanation was there and removed expression was here. Initially there are 4 different elements, and first D removed and then C removed and then B removed and then A removed. So this is the removal. Hope this drawing is visible to everyone. A textbook material is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So here array representation of stack, and that means stacks can be represented using arrays as well as using linked list. Both data structures are used for the representation of stacks. Suppose now we will consider array representation of stacks. In the array representation of stacks, array elements are listed here. How many elements are in the array? Now 10. What is the last element? That is n-1, that is max -1, that is 9. And first element always in the array, first element always placed at the 0th position. So what is the element that was added here at 0th position? Element add chesaru Sandeep. What is the element that was there at 0th position or the first position of the array? Sandeep, number 69.
Sir.
How many elements in an array? 10
Nine,
different
sir.
elements. 9 kadaya eppudu. It starts from 0 kada. How many elements?
10.
10 different elements. Why? ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? Max minus 1 కదా ఇది. Maximum 10. 10 minus 1, that is 9th position అది. అంతేనా? n minus 1. Either max minus 1 or n minus 1. So the first element will be added in an array at ఎక్కడ?
0.
0th position. One sec. What is the first element entered into the array? That is A. What is the second element? AB. Third element? ABC. Fourth element? ABCD. Fifth element? ABCDE. And now top points at 4. If you want to add one more element, where the top pointer goes? First of all, last class lo cheppa. Whenever we try to add a new element into the stack, first we increment the top pointer, then on the empty position you enter a data. Antena, is it correct? Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you people want to delete an element, now suppose there are 5 different elements, you want to delete the A, B, C, D, E, topmost element is this, no? A, B, C, D, E, and this is the one you are supposed to delete. First, the data is supposed to be kept on temp, and then top pointer decremented by 1. ముందు డేటాని బయట పెడతాం, తర్వాత టాప్ పాయింటర్ని డిక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తాం. నౌ టాప్ బికమ్స్ ఏమవుతుంది? నౌ టాప్ ఈజ్ 4. ఇప్పుడు టాప్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత అవుతుంది? 3 అవుతుంది. సో డేటా ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేసేటప్పుడు డేటాను ముందు బయట పెట్టి టాప్ పాయింటర్ని డిక్రిమెంట్ చేయి. అదే ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేయాలనుకో, అంటే డేటాని యాడ్ చేయాలనుకో, ఇనిషియల్లీ నౌ టాప్ ఈజ్ at 4. నౌ ఫస్ట్ మూవ్ ద టాప్ పాయింటర్ టు టాప్ ప్లస్ 1. Now top becomes ఎంత అవుతుంది? Addition లో, adding an element లో. Now there are 5 elements అయ్యా. Top is at 4. Sandeep,
Sir.
are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
While you people want to add one more element here, that is 6th element, then which particular pointer is supposed to be incremented first? అంటే top pointer incremented first. Top is incremented by 1. That is now top is at ఎక్కడ?
Position.
మాట్లాడు. Yeah, even it is wrong
Fifth
also, no
position.
problem. You tell me, I will tell you what is the right answer. Okay. Now first insertion కి ఎప్పుడు టాప్ పాయింటర్ ని ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేయాలయ్యా. అంటే టాప్ ఇనిషియల్లీ 4 లో ఉంది. Now top is at ఏమవుతుంది? Increment the top by 1. Now top becomes Sandeep.
Fifth
Five
position,
na?
sir.
5th position.
Yes, sir.
Now there is no element in the 5th position. Now add element. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా? First increment the top
Yes, sir.
position and then add data on it. A, B, C, D, E అనేది ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ. A, B, C, D, E, F అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తాయి. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
అదే డిక్రిమెంట్ చేయాలనుకో, ఫస్ట్ రిమూవ్ ద డేటా పార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ లొకేషన్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసి బయట పెట్టేయండి. రిమూవ్ ద డేటా పార్ట్. దెన్ ఇది ఖాళీ అయిపోతుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ డేటా ఏం లేదు. దెన్ డిక్రిమెంట్ ద టాప్ బై 1. అంటే నౌ టాప్ బికమ్స్ 4. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వే we are supposed to add an element and delete the element. Is it clear to everyone? Number 19, 19. Number 19.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా నేను
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది?
Yes, sir.
previous-
Got it.
Yeah, the previous explanation is also understood by you. Previous explanation in the sense, what kind of operations which we are going to perform using stacks? That is parenthesis verification, calculation of arithmetic expression. While calculating the arithmetic expression, first of all, the infix expression is supposed to be converted to postfix expression. So infix expression cannot be directly calculated. It is to be converted to infix to postfix. Then only the postfix evaluation is supposed to be done. Ante take the value for A, take the value for B. Ante 3, 2 తీసుకుని plus అనేది ఎలా how it is supposed to be implemented అనేది I will show you. Is it clear? 19. 19.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then I move to the other topic, that is operations on a stack. So what are different operations? Ante there are 3 basic operations. All of you write down it. There are 3 different operations which we are going to perform on stacks. One is push, the other one is pop, and the other one is peek. So 3 different operations which we are going to perform. So push operation is nothing but insertion operation. Pop operation is nothing but deletion operation. And what is peek? Do you have any idea about peek? Anybody? Sindhu? Sindhu and Manikanta?
Sir, without removing the last element.
Without removing the last element. Peek ఏంటంటే it returns the topmost element value. So ultimately the topmost element is pointed by a top pointer. Topmost element to top pointer అయినా point out చేస్తుంటది. And if you want to know the value of the topmost element, peek అనే function, it returns the value of the topmost element of the stack. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ పైన ఉంది అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి peek అనేది వాడతాం. Push operation adds an element to the top of the stack, and pop operation, it removes the element from the top of the stack, and peek operation, it returns the value of the topmost element of the stack. All of you note down this. ఈ 3 రాయండి అయ్యా. So note down these 3 operations: push for adding an element, pop for removing an element, and remove కూడా ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం? All the time we are supposed to remove the topmost element. Is it okay? And peek operation, it returns the value of the topmost element of the stack. Now, the next topic which we are going to discuss is how a push operation is supposed to be performed. So, ఎలా చేస్తాం అనేది. So, suppose there are 10 different elements in a stack, and the topmost element ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందయ్యా? All the elements are inserted onto the stack. All the elements are inserted into the stack. Top pointer ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? మణికంఠ, Sindhu. How many elements are visible here in the stack?
5, sir.
How many elements? Element positions. What is the size of the stack?
9, sir.
9.
10, sir. 10.
10, yeah.
Yes, sir. 10, sir.
So where is the once all the 10 elements are inserted into the stack, what is the position of the top?
9, sir.
Max minus 1, sir.
N minus 1, that is ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంతేనా? 9th లో
Yes, sir.
9 అనే పొజిషన్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది అంతేనా? Now if top equal to max minus 1, can you able to add a new element?
No, sir.
చేయలేము, ఎందుకంటే stack is already full stack లో you cannot add a new element. Is it clear? My explanation is clear to you. So while inserting
Yes,
an
sir.
element into the stack, first what is the condition to be verified? Overflow condition check చేయాలంటే we must first check. ఇక్కడ నేను హైలైట్ చేస్తున్నా చూడండి. We must check while adding an element into the stack. First we must check whether the top equal to max minus 1 or not. So if top equal to minus 1, we cannot add new element onto the stack. Why? Because the stack is already full. An overflow message is supposed to be printed. If stack is not full, that means top is not equal to max minus 1. Can you able to add new elements? ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేజ్ లో ఉందనుకో, Top is at 4, but top max enti 9. Can you able to add new elements, 5 more elements here? Say yes or no. Can you able to add 5 more elements here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there is a chance for us towards adding 5 more elements. So increment top by 1 position. Now top equal to 5, add an element. Increment, if you want to add one more push operation, increment the top by 1, add one more element. If you want to add one more element, increment the value of top by 1 and then add an element like that till you come at the end of the stack. That means maximum size. That is 9. If whenever top equal to 9, then there is no push operations which we are supposed to add or which we are supposed to perform. In the push operations ki chance hai ledu. Why? Because we reached the stack full condition. So once we reach the stack full condition, what is the operation that we are supposed to perform ante only pop. That is remove the element from the stack. Is it clear? So that's what here the explanation. Nenu ippudu cheppinde you are drawing. While inserting an element with a value of that is 6, first we check whether top equal to max minus 1 or not. If the condition false ena, top is max minus 1 kaadu kada ikkada. Emaya? Manikanta or Sindhu,
Yes, sir.
top equal to not minus 1. So max minus 1 kaadu. That condition is failed. So increment the top value by 1. That is the first step we are supposed to do. Don't add the value. Now, instead of that, first increment the value, previous value, top equal to 4. Now increment the top position by 1, that is 5. Now top becomes 5. Then add the value, that is 6 here. Is it clear? How to add an element? So that's what here we discuss. So in the check in the algorithm, is this algorithm is visual to everyone? No? Now if top equal to max minus 1, first check the condition whether the max, how many elements are, is there any empty positions, vacant positions that are available in the stack or not, and check chestunna. If top equal to max minus 1, print overflow, go to step 4, that is end. Otherwise, end of the if condition ainappudu em chestunnav, set top equal to top plus 1 ante increment the value of top by 1, that is now top becomes 5, and set stack top equal to value. Ee stack top lo value ni add cheyandi. What is the value that was added here? Ikkada enti aa value em bettaru? Manikanta,
6, sir.
6 added. Now
6,
is there
sir.
any empty positions still? Unnaya leda?
Yes, sir.
So to
Yes, sir. Unnai, sir.
while performing one more operation, మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తాం? Set top equal to max minus 1, condition check చేయి. Max minus 1 కాదా అని, but still top equal to 5 లోనే ఉంది కదా, అంటే ఈ condition fail. Then increment the top value by 1, అంటే top equal to top plus 1. Now 6 కి ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న యాడ్ చేసాం కదా, now ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. Now top equal to top plus 1 అంటే top equal to 6 అయింది. Then set top equal to stack of top equal to value. Put some value, that is 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here. Once top is placed at 9, then you are supposed to stop your additions. You are not supposed to add one more element. Inka add cheyadaniki ledu. There is won't be any chance. Only operation which we can perform is either we can perform pop operation or peak operation. Peak operation ante return the value of value it is pointed by peak. Suppose ikkade undanuko, take this particular example. Now is top pointed at 5. Now if you perform peak operation lo what is the value to be returned? Edo vastadaya ee condition lo
6 sir.
6 వస్తుంది. ఈ ప్రీవియస్ కండిషన్ లో దాని ముందు కండిషన్ అమ్మా, దాని ప్రీవియస్ కండిషన్ లో 5 ఉంది కదమ్మా.
5 yes sir.
అంతే. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రీవియస్ కండిషన్ అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ లో టాప్ 4 లో ఉంది. ఎక్కడ వాల్యూ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? దట్ ఈస్ 5.
5 sir.
Okay, now it is 6. This is the value. So is the push operation is clear to everyone? Push operation is clear now. Note down this. We will discuss pop operation as a next element, next topic. పాప్ ఆపరేషన్ మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మాట్లాడదాం. ఓకే, or can I explain pop operation now itself? Because still we had 2 more minutes. Okay, do one thing. Let me explain the pop operation also. So while performing pop operation, first we are supposed to check whether the top equal to null or not. First ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయాల్సిందంటే null ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందయ్యా? When there is no elements that are present in the when there are no elements that are present in the stack, then stack top equal to null. Null ante no value kada. So at that moment we can delete the elements. Ikkada top equal to null or top equal to 4. Observe this case. Emundi ikkada?
4.
Top equal to
Four.
some value, that is 4. Now if you
Four.
try to perform pop operation, what is the element to be comes out first?
5, sir.
Top pointer point out చేస్తుందో అదే బయటకు వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే this is the last element that is added. ఈ 1 తర్వాత 2 added, 2 తర్వాత 3 తర్వాత 4 తర్వాత 5. అంటే what is the last element that was added into the stack is 5. What is the first element to comes out అంటే 5 బయటకు వస్తుంది. Why? Because stop pointer points the element to be deleted. అదేవిధంగా what is the condition to be verified అంటే the condition is that is null condition. Is it okay? Now come here. If top equal to null, print underflow. Otherwise, set value equal to stat top. అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ అంటే take a temporary variable, temporary location. ఆ ముందు ఈ వాల్యూ 4 ని తీసుకెళ్లి బయట పెట్టండి. ఆ వాల్యూలో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే 4 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ వాల్యూ ఉందో, డేటా ఉందో, ఫస్ట్ కీప్ దిస్ డేటా, రిమూవ్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టాక్ అండ్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ఏ వేరియబుల్ దట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూ. అదే ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నాడు. సెట్ వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టాక్ టాప్. వాట్ ఈస్ స్టాక్ టాప్ హియర్? దట్ ఈస్ 4. నౌ సెట్ టాప్ ఈక్వల్ ఇక్కడికి లేదు కదా ఇంకా. నౌ ఇట్ కెన్ బి కమ్స్ బ్యాక్ టాప్ డిక్రిమెంటెడ్ బై 1 పొజిషన్. నౌ హూ ఈస్ టాప్ హియర్? వన్స్ 4 పాప్ ఆపరేషన్ ఒకసారి పెర్ఫామ్ చేయగానే హూ బికమ్స్ ద టాప్? టాప్ మోస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి?
3, sir.
3 అవుతుంది. Once if you perform one more operation, one more time pop operation, then what is the topmost element?
2, sir.
One more time ఇంకోసారి చేస్తే, if you perform one more time, then what is the topmost element? That is 2. If you perform one more time, then what is the topmost element? That is 1. Like that you are supposed to delete all the elements from the stack. Is it clear? Push operation as well as pop operations. We'll see other content in the next class. Okay. Meantime, you study it from the textbook, how push operations are performing and how pop operations are performing. Okay. Thank you for giving. Here
Thank
I
you,
end
sir.
the class.